Today I had the pleasure of talking to my good pickleball friend Victor, and he reminded me this too shall pass. Now for some of us, the light is at the end of the tunnel. Perhaps there are some courts that will be opening up soon. For others, it may involve just a little bit more time and patience. But it doesn't really matter where you are. It's been long, and frankly, some of us are getting a little antsy. Maybe you're getting tired of doing some of the indoor drills that you've been doing, and perhaps you haven't done anything, and now you're getting concerned about what's going to happen to your body when you get back on the court. So today, I'm going to share with you some of the insider coaching tips that I give to my clients to help them to play better pickleball. Hey everybody, my name is CJ Johnson. The Better Pickleball channel is dedicated to helping players over 50 live their best life on and off the pickleball courts. Just so you don't forget, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime I post a new video. Make sure you stick around to the end. I've got a free plan that I share with my clients, as well as access to some bonus videos. Let's be honest, for most of us, it's getting a little tedious to stay at home and continue to challenge ourselves, and to keep in mind that we will be back on the pickleball courts soon. What we do now is going to set us up for success or whenever I work with students who are struggling, I take them back to the basics. That's a great place for us to start to reclaim our pickleball form. There are 3 basics to playing good pickleball that you can work on right now: a strong body, fast reactions, and good footwork. As I mentioned at the start of this, I'll be sharing a goal-setting PDF that I use with my clients. Whenever we're making change, one of the things that I ask them to do is to look at their life and pick the lowest hanging fruit, or the things that will be easiest to change. When it comes to physical and mental change, some things will require more effort than others. And it's best if we start with the things that are easiest to change first. And frankly, those are different for everyone. As I go through this one by one, think about which ones would be simplest for you to make adjustments to. Those will be the first things that go on your plan. Here are some detailed resources to help you to improve your weakest areas. When it comes to having a strong body, the first place an athlete needs to look at is their core. We often think of our core as our abs, but essentially it's everything but our arms and our legs. Those muscles help us stabilize our body and transfer movement directionally. It's common to believe that the way to a strong core is simply through doing sit-ups. And while they can be an important part of toning your core, there are 2 exercises, the bird dog and the plank, that are actually more effective. If you want to move well on a pickleball court and stay injury-free, you need to have strong legs. In a recent video, I showed what happens when we don't use our legs to dink. We begin to use our backs. It's a less effective position, and it increases our chance of injury. Squats are one of the most effective ways to strengthen the major muscle groups in our legs. Don't let that word strike fear into you. You can learn how to do proper squats and not hurt your knees. A simple way to begin is every time you get up from a seated position, do so without the assistance of your hands. You hear me harp on this all the time. Balance, balance, balance. As we age, our balance declines, and it is one of the things that we can correct. You probably saw a balance video I put out about 2 to 3 weeks ago, but that isn't the first balance video I've done on this channel. So I've got some links to some other activities that will help to increase your balance. I think a lot of players miss hit shots because they don't watch the ball go all the way to their paddle. In the video, Watch That Ball, I shared several drills to help you to increase your focus and hit more shots towards the sweet spot of your paddle. Picking the ball up quickly as we're moving is another skill that fades because frankly, our eye muscles don't work the same way they used to. A few years ago, I shot this video with some suggestions on how to improve that skill. Our third skill is good footwork. Typically, good pickleball players are good movers, and the first thing they need is fast feet. This video is chock full of drills to help your feet get quicker. Another essential to moving well on the pickleball court is to have a good split step. Since half of this audience has never played another sport outside of pickleball, it doesn't surprise me that you don't know the importance of a split step or when to utilize the split step. This video explains that entirely, what it is, why you need it, and how to make it effective. Now it's time for you to get to work. Download your goal setting resource right here and put in your 3 weakest areas. Inside that resource, you're going to find a link to multiple videos which will help you to put together your own personalized plan, and in no time, you'll be playing better pickleball. If you've got value from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.